Hi guys, Drew's Roofing and Home Repair, and I'm down here to give an estimate on this no slope mobile home. And if you're curious what something like this might cost you, or if your roof looks like this one, look at that. Goodness gracious, what a mess right there. So yeah, that's a little bit of a mess. If your mobile home looks like this, what they're dealing with here is leaks. They've had leaks on this place. They just had all the floors done on this place, and now they're dealing with broken seams. See that? Look at that. Broken seam. Anytime you have a broken seam, you can forget about it. It's not going to be the easiest thing to fix unless you come back with what we do, mobile home rubber roof. And after we put this EPDM rubber on here with the overhang, we paint them white so that it's nice and reflective and easy on the cooling bill. So if you're curious to what your roof might look like, if it's leaking or not, look at this. You know, don't you think that stuff will just rot your house right out? Yeah, so they got a broken seam. Somebody probably walked on it. Other broken seams here, rusting, broken seams over there. Stuff like moss growing on the roof. That's never a good thing. So for the size of this roof, we don't have any extra work on it. Besides, we're going to put an overhang and get rid of these old ugly gutters, and there won't be gutters on it anymore. They're so small anyways, they really don't do anything. But if you're curious, ooh, look at that. This thing's been leaking bad. Look at that. This thing is really just past really cool seal. You can put cool seal on it, but it's not. I'd highly recommend you go ahead and get a rubber roof put on this thing. It's about 62 to 65 feet by about 13 feet wide with my overhang. So if you're curious, a price that I would charge to put a rubber roof on your house this size, labor and material complete with EPDM rubber painted white with hydro stop at the end with overhang, $8,500. And I have people say, well, I could get a metal roof for cheaper than that. I'm thinking to myself, all right, well, if you put a metal roof on this thing right here, you're gonna have a problem because a metal roof needs a pitch and this doesn't have a pitch. Or you can do some crazy crap like that and just build an ugly old roof over the top of your house. Well, I don't think that they want that. So we're gonna give them a price for a rubber roof with the overhang like we do. 2x4 fascia, nice and wrapped and beautiful, $8,500. All right, so like I said, $8,500 to do that roof like we do our rubber roofing. And you can go back and check out our videos, and plainly shows how we do it. We've done a bunch of them. So I just talked to the man. He said, do it. My price of $8,500 he thinks is perfect. And he's happy with that price and he's ready to go. So I got a few phone calls I got to answer. So I got to go right now. Make sure you smash that like button and hit that subscribe button, because you never know when I'm going to put out another video. And a matter of fact, probably my next video will be this rubber roof that we just climbed on now. So don't go away. Come back and check us out and see how we did this thing. I think you'd be pretty amazed. And if your roof looks like that and you need the same kind of thing, give us a call. We'd love to hear from you.